I feel like a mermaid. Only time. Hi guys, welcome. My name is Cher and I teach people that are dealing with hair loss how to make, style and install their own wigs. You don't have to be a hairdresser because I'm not, but I believe that if I can do it, you can do it too. I run a blog called intowigs.com where I talk about wigs, beauty and lifestyle. I will link it below. I also have a free ebook where I show you all the tools and accessories you need to make your own wigs. I will also link that ebook below in the information bar. Also on this channel we talk about wigs, beauty and lifestyle, and if those are topics you're interested in, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieve these mermaid waves. Look how beautiful I look. I feel like a mermaid. Only time. Okay, I cannot sing. Not. But that's how I feel. That's how this hair is making me feel like a mermaid. I'm gonna show you what I did to achieve that. This is a wig I've made myself. It's a 4x6 closure wig, and I will also link it below how I have made the wig once I'm done editing the video. I have a lot of videos to edit and to post, but the editing part is it's a lot, but I will show you how I got these waves. First of all, the product I'm using is this Crimper, I think. Is it a Crimper? Oh, it's called a ceramic curling iron, but I think it's a Crimper. We all know this product as a Crimper, and it's not of a specific brand. I bought this product on AliExpress, and let me see how much I bought it for. I will check for you. The Crimper was 15 euros and 19 cents. Yes. And I bought it on AliExpress. I will also link it below if you want to order the same Crimper. Of course, if you order on AliExpress, it takes at least 2 weeks to get to you. So be aware of that because the products come from China. It's a Chinese website where you can buy stuff right for affordable price. So yeah. This is the tool. It has 3 heating settings. I think 1, 2 and 3, that's all. This is what the box looked like, and this is the description of the options this tool has. It has a maximum temperature of 200 degrees Celsius, and it's ceramic coating. You can use it on wet and dry hair. It gives gorgeous beachy waves. Power switch, temperature switch, yes, and it has a 3, so they mean power switch, temperature switch. I think that's this thing right here, this, and it has a 360 cord. I love it when tools have a 360 cord, a cord that just turns around. So that's the tool I'm using to get these curls, and the products I'm using on my hair to protect my hair from heat, because I would always recommend you to use a heat protector, a heat protecting spray to protect your hair against the heat you're going to apply or use on it. And I've used 2 products. The first product I've used is this keratin heat styling spray, and it says 3-day style control. It protects until 230 degrees Celsius. So that's the spray I've used. And another spray I've used, because I love when the hair has a healthy shine on it, I've used this shining spray. What's it called? Super Shine Spray from Andrelon, and pink. It's also a heat protectant. It doesn't have a hold. It just gives it a nice shine like what you see right now. So if you would like to know how I have achieved these waves, keep on watching. I'm gonna show you right away.
Show me the car when you turn me on. Cool way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them the cinema, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the car when you turn me on. Cool way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lift it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up.
And that's it, guys. I had 2 minor issues in the process of creating these mermaid waves, and that's with the tool. It's a tedious process. I think you could see it in the tutorial where I show you how I crimp the hair. And you know, you start to feel it in your hands after a few times of crimping it. Why am I doing that? Those are the two minor issues I have. It takes long to create these mermaid waves, and you start to feel a little bit crampy in your hand of, you know, squeezing the tool the whole time. But in my opinion, it's all worth it because you get very beautiful mermaid waves. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you thought of it. If it was helpful, if you've learned something new, I would really like to know that. And remember to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this, and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. When it comes to the hair, this is a 4x6 closure wig that I've made myself. I still have to edit the video and I will link it in the information bar below once it's uploaded. When it comes to the install, on how I got these baby hairs and the whole install, it's a product review. I'm working on it. I will also link it in the information bar below once it's done. So I'm working on it. These video they take long to make, but I'm working on getting there, because I still have to find the right balance between creating, editing, and executing as in uploading to the channel. So I'm working on it, but that's why you should subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Get my free ebook. It's free. It will teach you all the tools and accessories you need to make your own wigs. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. 'Cause I want you, it is